This is task 1 of LapPass, grasping and manipulation. This involves 3 polo mints. You have to pass them through a variety of parts of the task in sequence within a 4-minute period. The trick here is that if polo is dropped throughout any part of the whole 4 minutes, that polo has to go right back to the beginning. Otherwise you fail task 1. Go through these individually. The left hand passes the polo onto post 1, right hand 180-degree flip onto post 2. Then there's a hand-to-hand mid-air transfer, and then from post 3, finally the string is threaded through the center of the polo. Once this is completed, the polo has to touch the base again for that polo to be completed. You can do these in sequence or do one post at a time. It's entirely up to you. It's important that you do this all within the 4-minute period, and it uses a mixture of dexterity between dominant and non-dominant hands, and that is really what we're testing in this task. It is deceptively difficult, because if you drop a polo at any stage, then it is quite difficult to complete the whole task within the 4-minute period. Sometimes luck can be with you if you can balance the polo on the post and then knock it onto position. Doesn't happen very often. The other spot of luck is if the string is very straight, it may pass straight through without having to manipulate it. I think there are some keys to success with this task. One is to line your polo up in parallel with the jaws of the instrument, and it helps you to guide it onto the posts. This is a really important part. Whether you use one Johann and a dissector or 2 dissectors is up to you, but if you line it up in parallel, then it does help. The other thing is threading the string is to rotate gently the polo so that you can identify pull the string through. Sometimes you can have difficulties if you don't line the polo up in parallel, then you can miss the peg. If this happens regularly, then you're likely to fail the task. So it's important to do that parallel move. If you are able to do that and line things up in order, then you can complete the task within the 4-minute period. This does take a lot of practice to be able to be successful.